So to set up the AirPods Pro 3s with your iPhone for the first time, all you need to do is put your iPhone close by, and then I've just taken this out of the box. So you just need to open the lid of the case. Okay. Now with the AirPods still inside, they're gonna go into pairing mode automatically. And your your iPhone will pick them up. So what you need to do is tap on connect. And once you tap on connect, they should get connected in just a few moments. So just keep the lid open. You can see it says place both AirPods in your ears. So basically, we're trying to set them up. So let's take them out of their case and put them in the ears. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So with both of them in my ears, all I need to do now is tap on continue. How do the AirPods Pro feel in your ears? I'm gonna say my AirPods Pro fit comfortably. And then you have your media control, you can skip that. And then you can turn on personalized volume, or you can do this later. So if you want to turn on personalized volume, you can turn that on. Low, you can also set up conversation awareness. Now keep in mind that this is all stuff I can set up later. So I'm going to choose not now. And then also for Siri, I'm going to choose not now. Control your AirPods by moving your head, not now. I'm going to skip all this stuff because I can do that later. So live translation, also not now. Loud sound reduction with AirPods Pro, just gonna hit continue and I'm done. Okay, so I have successfully set up my AirPods Pro 3s with my iPhone. Okay, so I'm gonna put them back in the case, leaving the case open. I can now access the AirPods Pro 2s by going to settings, and then at the top of the settings you should see your AirPods Pro 3s. This actually, it says Pro 2 for some reason, but it's actually the Pro 3s. No, actually it says Chris AirPods Pro number 2 because I already have a set of AirPods Pro 2s and it's kind of confusing the two. So I'm gonna rename this later. Anyway, so that is the app. That's how you access the features and settings of the AirPods Pro 3. So that's how to set them up for the first time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.